Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I am Tiana Food and Lifestyle. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious delicacy. If you have not subscribed, please remember to hit the bell notification and also subscribe, like, share, comment, and stay tuned as we do this together. So first of all, you'll be needing a tuber of yam or just yam, okay? Because I'm using yam for this and the whole idea is I'm going to be frying this yam. Okay, so before I continue, I just want to take a stop and say thank you to Norma African Store. That's where we got this yam. We buy our yam there and lots of African food. Yes, so before then there was somewhere else we were going, but when she came to Temple, we were so glad. We tried some of her stuff and we were very excited, and we've been shopping with her. So if you're in Temple area in Texas, do well to visit Norma African shop, Norma African store, so you can get your nice African food and value for your money. Yes, thank you so much, Norma. After taking out the skin, next thing I'm going to be doing is cut my yam into sizes I like the straight sizes. And then after this, I'll just put water in the bowl, put some salt, allow it to sit for like 30 minutes. I'm doing this because I don't want my yam to change color and I like it to come out well fried. So when it's cold, it will still be nice. And then set this aside. 30 minutes after, I'll just put my oil in the pan and allow the oil to get hot, not over hot and not under hot. So while I'm waiting for my hot to get heated, I'll just prepare my egg for my sauce. So those are my broken eggs, my vegetables, tomato, bell peppers, and all my spices. These are my onion, my diced onion and pepper, my spices, and then we're ready to fry. While that is set aside, now my oil is ready, so I'll just begin frying my yam. So you want it to fry properly. If you see the upper side is getting kind of dry, like well fried, all you need to do is begin to flip. Just flip gently. Now if you're not frying with oil like this, you can choose to air fry, okay? So whatever works for you. If you're using this method, you just have to be careful with the oil, okay? And make sure you're in control of your pan and just keep flipping. So we're going to let this yam fry properly. Right now our yam is well fried, so I'm just going to be taking it out from the pan. So I'm not frying it to be golden brown, and I'm making sure it's well done, okay? If you're not sure, you can take one out and break it into two. If the middle is well fried, you'll know, but if it's crunchy at the middle, that means it's not ready. So I'll be taking it out from the pan now and fry the remaining set. So while our next batch of yam is frying, I'll just put another pan on heat, add in some oil, and then this time I'm going to be frying my egg. So I'm going to be doing it this way because I don't want where I'm done frying the yam and then I begin to fry egg, and then the yam is so cold and then the egg is all hot and then you will enjoy your meal, all those kind of things. No. So while my yam is frying one side, I'm just going to be frying my egg now. So these are all the things I'm going to be frying with the egg. Remember to check my description box for my spices and all of the ingredients for this recipe. So while I was frying with the other pan, I realized that the pan is too small. So and I'm done with my yam. So all I did was to transfer the ingredients from the other pan into the bigger one, and that's what I'm doing right now because I'll need more space. Okay, so at this point our egg sauce is ready and we're ready to serve it. And this is really nice, yummy, and give it a try and leave in the comment box how yours came out. So dinner is served, and if it's your first time, please do well to subscribe, hit the notification bell button so you know when we drop new videos. Thank you so much for doing this with me, and remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. And see you in my next video. Bye for now.